Alright, and so I've been using iOS 16 for about 2 weeks now, and this video is going to be all about my top 3 favorite features found in iOS 16, consisting of the lock screen redesign, the new messages features, and also if you press and hold on an image that has a foreground and a background, you can separate the foreground from the background and actually copy it as a sticker and paste it wherever you'd like. And so those are my top 3 features, and I'll touch on a little bit more of other smaller features, but those are my big 3 that I'm going to talk about in this video. And so we're going to start with the completely redesigned and customizable lock screen. And so one thing that is really cool that I enjoy a lot with iOS 16 is the ability to customize your lock screens. Now you can actually customize these literally in any way you want. And a cool thing you can do is also link it to a focus mode. So if you have a certain lock screen that you want for different focus modes, such as sleep or work or home or whatever, or personal time, you can do that, which is really cool. And that's what I've done, as you can see right here. And so what's really cool is that with your customizable lock screen, you can customize the colors, the fonts. You can now add widgets on the lock screen, which is really cool. Your notifications now scroll in from the bottom, as you can see right here. And overall, this is an amazing and welcome update to iOS, which is something that we've been waiting for a long time, is a customizable lock screen. And so now I want to go ahead and talk about the new messages features, which allows now finally the ability to edit and to unsend messages. And so just before I dive into this, I want to let you know this only works if the person you are texting is also on iOS 16. But what you can do is within the first 15 minutes of sending the message, you can edit that message. And at any point, you can unsend that message as well. And so what happens is it doesn't show them the history of the edits of that message, but it does show them that it has been edited. And if you unsend a message, it just lets them know that you unsent a message. It doesn't show them what that message is, but again, only if you're on iOS 16. And another cool thing is that SharePlay has now come to messages, which is a very welcome feature. And so just before we move on to my last favorite feature, I want to touch on a few little things that are integrated with macOS. And that is continuity camera and desk view. Now, continuity camera allows you to use your iPhone's cameras as a webcam for your computer, which is actually really cool, considering the cameras on your iPhone will be much higher quality than any webcam that you'd find for the most part. So that's a great feature. And also desk view allows you to literally show a desk view of your desk using your cameras, so long as you have an ultra wide lens on your iPhone. And so what it does is it takes that ultra wide picture, crops it to the way it likes, and it shows you a top-down view of your desk, which is an amazing feature. But again, you need iOS 16, you need an ultra wide camera, and you also need macOS Ventura. So that's just a little feature that I do enjoy a lot. But my final feature that I enjoy so much is the new stickers, or the copy and paste, whatever you want to call it, of the images. So right here, as you can see, if I click on an image and I hold down and press, it does this little glowing animation and it separates it from the background. It automatically removes the background, and you can then copy and paste that image wherever you'd like. And so this is a really cool feature, as if I have this image and I want just the subject that's in the image, I can press, hold, and take it and paste it and send it wherever I'd like. So that is a really cool feature as well. And so those are just 3 really cool features that I enjoy with iOS 16. And overall, iOS 16 is just a much more clean and a much more needed update. The iOS and everything just looks much more clean and neat and everything like that. And so that is just a short video letting you know my favorite features about iOS 16, and there will be more to come in the future. Right now, just for your information, the iOS 16 public beta is available right now if you go to beta.apple.com. If you are interested in downloading that, I will put that link down below in the description. But let me know down in the comments below whether or not you guys have already experienced iOS 16 or not, or if this is your first time seeing it. Let me know down in the comments below. But guys, for now, thank you for watching. Please do go out and have a great day, and we shall see you in the next one.